Welcome to Instant Cooking. To make best out of waste, I am making a mango drink today. So I am using here mango peel and mango seed. So for this we will peel the mango. So in a pan I have added 1 glass of water, add mango seed and mango peel and let it boil for 4 to 5 minutes till the color of water change. Now let it cool down and strain it. Remove the peel. Now add this water into the same pan, boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add 1 small bowl of sugar, 1 lemon, few drops of vinegar that will work as preservative. Now let it boil for 2 minutes and after 2 minutes let it cool down and your very tasty mango drink is ready. Thank you.